All rise. Support court with Judge Vanda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1064, Adams case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Adams?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I've decided that I need a little more money a month with the child that we have, so that's why I'm here.
All right. So currently, how much are you receiving?
I think it's about minimum wage.
Okay, so about what, $213 or so, something like that?
Yes, around that area.
All right. How old is the child?
She's 5.
Okay. Does mom give anything extra? Has she been doing anything extra?
No. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
So how did you all get?
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going to witness a courtroom showdown where a father says the bare minimum child support isn't cutting it anymore. Mr. Adams is here asking Judge Vanda for more help raising his 5-year-old daughter. The stage is set, mom's not paying extra, and we're about to find out why this fight is about to get very personal.
She's on minimum wage child support. Was she working previously?
She was working previously, and then she quit the job, I want to say. I can't really get that backstory out of her, but we had to separate, Your Honor. I couldn't do it anymore.
You couldn't do what anymore?
I couldn't be with her. She started to get very just abusive for what it is. My breaking point, she went upside my head because I couldn't put her food in the microwave.
Oh wow, this lady did that?
Your Honor, she
looks so sweet.
No, you darn near need to get the bailiff in here. I can't. She's very abusive. She can play the funk.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna throw nothing at me, are you?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Well, he said you went upside his head. I just want to make sure you don't try to go upside mine.
It was a rough day that day. You know, Your Honor, I'm diagnosed bipolar, and I was just having a really rough day. And our child, she was just really just crying all day, and I just needed a little bit of help. And he was just saying he couldn't help me at home, and so that's why I just kind of acted out.
Oh, okay. So it was an isolated incident?
Huh?
Was it an isolated incident?
I'm sorry, when she get her foot going like that, I just... Say that again.
Was it an isolated incident?
What do you mean, isolated?
Like, did that happen one time?
No.
She's gone upside your head numbers of times.
Numbers, dozens.
It's because he let my medication, I was off my medication, and he said he couldn't pay for it because it was too expensive, you know, but I'm back on my medication.
What starts as a money dispute suddenly turns into an abuse revelation. Mr. Adams claims mom attacked him over microwave food, and not just once. She admits it happened, blamed bipolar disorder, and says she was off her meds. This isn't a one-time mistake. He says it's dozens of incidents. The judge is already sensing this case is more than just about dollars.
He said we were going to try and work things out. You know, I still love him. I mean, look at him. He's a fine-looking man, and you know, I love our child. And
he's a nice-looking guy.
I really want to work it out, and I just got this new job. And
tell me about that new job.
Well, I'm a manager at a fast food restaurant.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get back on my feet, and but I got a lot of debt, so I have to, save that money, and I don't feel like I can pay more child support right now.
How much are you making now at your new job?
I'm making $55,000.
$55,000. That's a lot from where you're at now.
I didn't have anything before, and I just have a lot of credit card debt.
Okay.
And health debt, with my medication and my visits.
I understand. You understand that he has things that he needs to pay for you all's daughter, right?
Yes.
And I can only imagine $200 or so for a 5-year-old is not cutting it.
It's not.
You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's only fair that your child support is increased because your income has changed and you have the means now to support your daughter a little bit better. Now, That's not to say, I understand that you have debt. I understand that you have things that you have to pay for, but with what's in the best interest of the child, your child support should be increased. You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your daughter involved in any extracurricular activities or anything?
Yeah, she's in ballet.
Ballet, okay. How much is ballet?
It comes to about, I want to say about $200 a month.
$200 a month? Okay. And she goes throughout the year?
Yes.
Okay. What about health insurance?
I pay health insurance.
All right. How much is health insurance?
It's about $222 a month.
All right. Can mom attend any
No.
ballet?
The tone shifts as mom confesses she still loves him and calls him a fine-looking man. But reality hits. She earns $55,000 a year now, yet insists her debts make higher child support impossible. The judge isn't swayed by romance or excuses. Her focus? What's best for the child, not the comfort of the parent who can clearly afford to contribute more.
No.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see. So mom has supervised visits.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. All right. So this is what we're going to do, ma'am. We are going to adjust your child support so that it increases to reflect what it should be based on your new income. You testified that your new amount was $55,000. That would bring your gross to $4,580, bringing your net to $3,504. You only have one child? This is your only child?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's going to be based on 20%, which brings your child support amount to $700.80. Now you do have to reimburse dad for the health insurance. Okay. So that $780 plus the $222 for health insurance reimbursement, that brings your monthly obligation to $922.80 per month.
Numbers start stacking up. $200 a month for ballet, $222 for health insurance, and mom admits she can't even attend ballet. This isn't about small expenses. It's about consistent, ongoing costs. The judge is doing the math in real time, and it's becoming clear that this case is headed toward a significant increase in support.
You understand that?
Can I just mention one thing, Your Honor?
Sure.
Reggie, he's a used car salesman, and he sold me this discounted car, and it's just a junk car, and I've been having so many bills from this car.
Okay.
And I just had it in the shop, and it was $750.
All right.
Because it's just breaking down, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford all this, because he's the one who sold me this and said it was a good car.
So what did you want me to do about it?
I sold her that car.
Well, here's the deal. I don't even need your defense because I didn't need her story. It doesn't have any impact on what it is that I have to do. This isn't a divorce where, we're in a temporary orders hearing and we're talking about splitting debts and anything like that. So it's irrelevant to what we're doing here today. However, you have to take care of that expense. That's how you're going to have to handle it. And if the two of you have an issue that ends up having to result in litigation, that'll be done in a different court.
Then comes a key revelation. Mom only has supervised visits. That a red flag about trust and parenting capacity. While she argues for less responsibility, the judge calculates based on her $55,000 salary, setting support at $700.80 plus health insurance reimbursement. The numbers are adding up, and the outcome is about to hit hard.
So as of today, your child support has been increased to $922.80. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
So the gavel drops, $922.80 a month. Mom's complaint about a junk car from dad are ruled irrelevant. The judge stays laser focused on the child's needs, not adult squabbles. This isn't about who's more emotional, but who's more responsible. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.